Now I got something else done. All right. Let me get something. If you're gonna do your walkway, get one of these. This is 15-inch. Okay, 15-inch pressure washer surface cleaner. This will save you back. This is going to simply roll around. It's going to roll around as you do it. Okay. You got your jets down here at the bottom. This spins around and shoots water out in high pressure. You take your hose. Here's the other part of the hose. And you connect one end of your hose here. Then you got your wine. You connect your wine back on this. Push in on it, twist it like that. Have it on there. There you go. Now you got this back together. Take this quick connect, pull the sleeve back, pull that out. This is one of your sprayers. You put it back in the slot, but I'll just set it up there. Then this end, what you want to do. Pull your sleeve back. And you push it on there, and there you go. And you just push this around to do your driveway, your walkway, whatever. Make it easy because it's rolling. Okay, it's up just high enough that it don't spray a lot of water on you. But trust me, this is what you're gonna want, the one with wheels on it. Okay. See how short that is? You don't necessarily want that. They have a solution for that too. Let me show you. All right. See how long that is? This is what you want. You want to get a longer wand. All right. Show you how to do this. Pull the sleeve back. Pull the quick connect off. Go back to twisting this. You don't need to use any pliers. Take this short one off. Put that back on there. Take this longer. All right. Got this cap at the end. Okay. Yeah. Put that to the side. All right. Take this in just like the little wand. Push it in there a little bit. And just screw it on there, see that? Just screw that on there. Now, see how long that is? About almost as long as this bed. This tailgate, see? Then you go here, pull back your sleeves on your quick connect. Push the sleeve back up. Now, see how much distance you have now. See how far I can go now? Notice the difference. kill. Big difference. Save on the back. Alright? So that's the way you want to do that. This extension at Lowe's, $29. That's what you want. Alright? If you look in the description of the video, I'll put some other links down there. You can see my amazing discovery that I was on the news for 2012. All right, and you can see the product line. There's three movies I have for that. Just have to find somebody to do the movies, okay? But anyway, back to this. There's some other, like I said, if you enjoy some of the stuff, just tap on some of the links in the description. And appreciate you watching the video. Please subscribe. You can go to my channel by tapping on the little blue Ferrari that's right there, the little icon picture, and click on like, and you get update videos and this and that and other, and that's a wrap.